A kangaroo court is a court that ignores recognised standards of law and justice. A court that disregards its legal or ethical obligations. A kangaroo court jumps over or ignores evidence and procedures and is often only held to give the appearance of a fair trial where the verdict is already decided before it even began. In my case, here last week, I was denied my legal aid again. They refused to translate any key documents. The court made no comment that a lawyer had swapped sides in the case, and they were quite happy that a lower court judge refused to recuse himself, step aside for another judge, and at no time did I feel I stood before an independent, impartial court. At verdict, they said, "We don't have time to read out the 35-page decision. There are many cases here today. So do you think they examined the 90 exhibits? Did they read a single page of the 1,000 pages of court testimony?" Now keep in mind, they changed the bench, changed the judges on the day of the hearing last month, took just 16 days before setting this precedent that upheld a national record fine against a foreigner who was already on legal aid. They were too ashamed to publish the lower court's verdict of 2012, and they still haven't published last week's trash either. Why not? This is a common law jurisdiction. They set a precedent. Be proud of your work. Take out the trash. Or did last week's precedent only apply to us? 14 years I waited for that farce. A trial within a reasonable time? Nah. The whole process was a cruel and unusual punishment, a series of kangaroo courts, but the fish rots from the head down. So to the Republic of Cyprus, the Supreme Court here in Nicosia, I just fixed your sign.